Max and the Magic Hat. Max was a small boy with a big dream. He lived in a quiet village, surrounded by trees, hills, and friendly neighbors. But Max wanted more. He wanted adventure. He wanted magic. One sunny morning, Max walked to the old market, in the center of the village. There, he saw a small shop he had never seen before. The sign read, "Milo's Magic Things." Curious, Max stepped inside. The shop was full of strange objects, glowing stones, flying books, and tiny dragons in jars. But one thing caught Max's eye. It was a tall, black hat with a golden ribbon. "Ah, you like the hat," said a man with a white beard. He smiled, kindly. "I'm Milo. That hat is very special." "Special how?" Max asked. "It's a magic hat," Milo said. "If you wear it and say the right words, it will take you on an adventure." Max's eyes grew wide. "Can I try it?" Milo nodded. "But remember, only say the words if you're ready." Max placed the hat on his head. It was warm, and it buzzed softly like a bee. He whispered, "Take me somewhere amazing." Poof! In a flash of light, Max disappeared from the shop. He opened his eyes and found himself standing in a jungle. Monkeys were jumping in the trees. Bright birds flew across the sky. A tiger walked by, but it just smiled and waved. "Where am I?" Max asked. A parrot flew down and answered, "You're in the land of wonders. This is where your dreams come alive." Max smiled. This was exactly what he wanted. He climbed trees, swung on vines, and even danced with elephants. Everywhere he went, the animals talked and played. He was having the best day of his life. But after a while, Max felt a little tired. He missed his home, his bed, and his mom's cooking. "I think I want to go back now," he said. The hat still, on his head, glowed softly. A small voice whispered, "Just say the words. Take me home." Max smiled and said, "Take me home." Poof! In another flash, Max was back in the magic shop. Milo was waiting, sipping tea. "Well?" he asked. "That was amazing," Max said. "But I'm glad to be home." Milo laughed. "You're always welcome here, Max. The hat is ready when you are." Max left the shop with a big smile. He had found the adventure he wanted, and he knew more magic was waiting.